If you want to download an app on a Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, what you can do is you can simply open the Play Store, which you should be able to find on the home screen over here, at least by default of course, or you can go to the app drawer and you can look for the Play Store in here. In order to use Play Store, you need to have a Google account. So if you don't have a Google account yet on your Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, then you will have to either create an account or you will have to log into your account. And once we have the app opened, of course, we can start by choosing apps, and then in here we can find many different suggestions and example apps that of course you can get on your phone. So if you find something that you wish to download, you can just tap on the app, and then over here we have the install option. Now if you're looking for something more specific, we can for example choose categories in here at the top, and then you can search for an app based on these categories. So of course if you don't particularly know which app specifically you want to get, but you are looking for something that is related to one of these categories, then of course you can use them in order to try to find something specific. Like for example, if you choose news and magazines, then of course we can find many apps that belong to that category, or at least in theory of course. And if you already know what you're looking for, or if you want to use your own phrase or keywords, then of course we can use the search option here at the bottom of the screen. Here we can also find some of the categories, but essentially you probably want to use this text field or search field actually at the top. And then in here we can write the name of the app that you're looking for, or you can provide some keywords that can be helpful to find exactly what you're looking for. So let's say if I type Twitter, well, of course, Twitter no longer exists. I mean, it has been rebranded of course, but even if I type Twitter, I can still find the X app, which is of course now the Twitter. And of course you can either use the install button here on the right side after searching, or you can tap on the app and you can find the install button in here just like before. And then once you install the app, you can open it either by using the Play Store. So over here you will find the open button, so you can use it. Or you can just go to the app drawer, and also, so here if we go to the app drawer, then of course we can find it in here. And also most of the time you can also find it on the home screen if new apps are added to the home screen, which is the default setting of course. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.